So here's a quick tutorial on how you can use Civils.ai to do lighting and electrical takeoffs from PDF drawings. So you'll see here on the left, I've already finished processing this set of drawings and I've read off I've counted up the different electrical light fittings and quantified them. So you'll see my actual prompt up at the top here. So the prompt was count and categorize lighting for the ground floor, first floor, and roof deck, and refer to the legend, which is on page 28. So with Civils AI, anytime we do any kind of measuring or quantifying from the drawings, we always annotate the drawing as well. So you'll see for each one of these quantities that have been measured off, the corresponding annotation, so you can easily cross-check. And you can download these results as either the Excel, so the data, like to be able to combine this with cost data or to group things in different ways. We just give you the baseline. And then also this annotated PDF as well. With Civils AI, we also do scaling, so it's not really relevant for this exactly, but we can read metric or imperial and we automatically scale the drawing. And for each one of the drawing sheets on the left, you'll see this basically annotated sheets. So these are all of the drawings which have been worked on as part of this takeoff. And the prompt here says, refer to the electrical legend on page 28. So if I go down to page 28, you'll see the legend which we actually used in order to do this takeoff. So you'll see all the symbols and the corresponding description which was used. So if you notice or you have any comments on this drawing, once we finish processing it, you can click this request resubmission and you can actually say, take off the quantities from floor 5 as well, let's say, because the prompt I think was just certain floors. So perhaps there's another floor in the drawings that you actually want including. You can type it in here and then you can click this submit button, and then Civils AI will update all the quantities and create a new version of this takeoff. So you might be wondering, how do you get this set up? So with Civils AI, what you can do is you can go to this, we have a web application, and then from within here, you can create new projects. So this is one project I've already created, and you click this extract quantities from CAD button, you drag and drop the PDFs in here, and then you type in exactly what you want to do. So count and categorize the light fittings, for example. And then you can give this takeoff a name, so you have a way to easily reference it. And then you just click run. And it starts the processing. And then once the takeoff is complete, you'll see a row in the row in here turns to completed. If there's any comments, on the drawing itself, you can have a comment in here saying that maybe something's missing, or we try and find if there's discrepancies, then they'll also be flagged up in these comments. So once it's complete, you just click through to open up the results of the takeoff.